All right, so I live in an apartment, but our community is offering 12 by 6 foot plots to rent for the summer, $40 from May to October. I think that's a pretty good deal. I've always wanted to try my hand at gardening. What should I plant if I decide to give it a go? I'm in Pennsylvania. So Pennsylvania can be quite, I think it's like a couple growing zones.
5,
above
6,
ours.
7. Yeah. Depending on how close you are to the coast.
Yeah. So, I would recommend growing what you know you're going to eat.
You got 5 months.
Yeah.
So some of these community gardens shut down like at Labor Day, which
it says May to October.
Yeah. So we're good shape on that. So you can tomatoes, beans, your staples, cucumbers,
peas.
Well,
radishes.
Peas would be in the hot radishes. Those are cool. You're going to fight the heat on those in the day length.
You could even do
Swiss chard.
Yeah, you can. I wouldn't necessarily recommend strawberry plants.
No, because that's a perennial.
Like ground cherries, you could do if you want something kind of a fruit-esque situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The 12 by 16, you're going to have 12 by 6. You're going to have plenty of space for a little bit of everything. You may not have the quantity unless you go all in on one thing to have canning. But if you just want a regular staple of peppers and eggplants, and the type of thing.
So what I wouldn't plant would be potatoes. Just because I feel like they're a dime a dozen.
If you don't know, know the soil consistency, it's going to be you're going to lose time and space.
I would avoid herbs. I would do that like if you have a balcony situation, doing that on a balcony. You can even do them indoors. Yeah. I would grow stuff that is like very heavily seasonal and delicious, like Joey mentioned, tomatoes, peppers, things like that, where you're getting a good bang for your buck.